Guys, look how Lataya park. Yo, I'm parking your stick. Come Zion, come this way baby. Come with daddy. Guys, look how Lataya park and claims that she a top driver and a people. Wagwan people, big up on yourself. Blessed love on the Friday evening. Family going out. Not gonna worry, just gonna do a small shopping Sataya over there, so.
Hi guys.
IJ around there, so I share Doritos with Zizi. And Zizi around. Hi. That's Miss Zion. Straight.
Say hi.
Yeah, IJ say hi to Poppy Show.
Hello.
Straight.
Dad.
Yes, princess? He heard me? Yeah, I heard him too. Straight.
I always have to go Poppy Show myself.
Go somewhere.
Another boss.
Taya over there, so I run after driving.
Yeah, I don't really trust anybody for driving my car, you see me?
Nobody don't want to drive your car on the bill.
So,
Ain't nobody trying to drive her car, guys.
me don't want anybody in my car seat, in my driver's seat.
See how them hype?
Me alone.
Hype thing them depend.
No hypeness.
It's all good.
Sure, after how you do me with the picture them, I'll run them back and I drive right about now.
Yo guys, the picture reaction video they shut up. Crossbreed. She can't just run on for me with just them any kind of old picture there. No sir. Thing never did happen at all.
You stay too bad, you're going like say they look nice, and you know you never did look nice. You know you never did look nice.
No man did look nice.
I'll get some air in the tire because
Oh yeah, go over there sir.
yeah, because it keep on coming on and I think that's why that thing is there.
Okay.
No
Okay.
cough.
The tire place is straight ahead. Yeah man, good man.
Guys, when you listen to Poppy, the car tell me say me need to put more pressure on
Well,
it.
you
Because the tire not flat.
You just
Him-
frightened.
Friend, what you mean frightened? Listen, we need to follow rules and regulation. The car say it need must be 36.
So how we gonna know if I 36 now?
Me no know. But just put little bit in there.
Not all of them?
Yes.
Not good? I don't want this busing going, I mean, I got this look like this can't take a message more.
They're expensive too.
You good now? Now you're the tire expert in me, I don't know. If I'm not the one who runs, I don't want a tire, I don't want a ear.
Enough if flat face, you said you want ear, the thing I said about the ears you want to say hot. We need to buy one of those, the gauge thing. We need to get one of those.
You're in the tire, you know?
Jesus.
Bless you.
Bless him!
Bless you.
Oh, son.
Say thank you.
Son, I
please.
can't bless me. Really? What you need mask for?
Yo, all of them sneezing there.
Anything me have, you already catch it.
Wow.
But guys, if it comes for Corona,
There we go. Mask them out.
No corona around here.
You guessed that because you were sneezing on your car.
With one corona. Hopefully we'll find some leggings. What leggings in here?
Leggings.
Slacks.
Joggers.
Joggers.
oh,
Hopefully we'll find some nice joggers for you.
okay. And some pants for Zion. Oh,
Zion, what you want at the store?
I don't even know what I want.
Zion, what do you want at the store, baby?
Do you want shoes or Shorts.
Do you want a new shirt?
New shirt.
You want new shirt?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
A new shirt. And new shoes.
And new shoes too?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
So I think you're a big head.
No.
I'm a big kid.
No.
Ow!
Guys, see the puppy show cross.
My teeth are shirt. I like it.
Oh, you can't eat my shirt.
We'll go good with my cap.
Wow. You know easier if you just give me the cap.
No.
My shirt can't fit you on it. My shirt bigger than you.
As a matter of fact, I feel cap this.
Yeah. Teeth out the whole of the thing them.
You never like it. So if it's weird for you because it just park.
You don't give me a chance for wear it.
Well, how much years I have it to now wear it?
Wow.
And when did I plan to wear it? You eat it off? Alright, give me.
Sorry? I eat mine off.
Ajay, give me now. Although I did say I don't want none of it eating here, you know. I don't know, I want to come by eating in here today.
Well, we didn't even make them.
So if we're hungry, we can't eat another car?
No. I don't know who telling for eating it a while
Well,
ago.
Mom, it's not fair if you can eat in the
It's
car.
my car, so I can do whatever I want to do in my car. When you have your car, then you do whatever you want to do in your car.
Wow.
You feel me?
What kind of mom would say that, AJ?
No, I'm just keeping it real.
A bad mom.
Seriously, like we would have been starving if we can't eat in the.
Zion. Can you stop shouting?
Yeah.
Zion. Zion. Zizi. What you doing?
Zion's a big head.
No.
You guys do that like when you call your kid and they just said yes, and then you call them again and they probably say yes again, and then you call them a third time and then they finally get it like yes mom or yes dad. Our kids do that because we don't play that. Yeah. Growing up, you couldn't talk to your parents like that. They call you have to say yes ma'am, yes sir, yes mama, whatever it is, but you can't just say yes or no. That's a sign of disrespect. Right, Tony?
Right.
Or you grow differently?
No man, for real. Now we say yes mommy, I will be big. Yes, AJ?
So, don't get mad at me, but why? Like, is there a reason to like say dad or mom at that?
Yeah, because that shows
Respect.
respect.
Yeah.
And so AJ sit back in the car.
It shows respect.
Yeah, to the person.
And how come you don't put a seatbelt on?
Yeah, Ed. How come you don't have on your seatbelt? You want to get a ticket?
Yes, please.
I got my seatbelt.
Put your seatbelt on.
A tick? Seriously?
Yes, baby?
I got my seatbelt.
You got your
Yeah,
seatbelt
you got
on?
your seatbelt on.
Yeah, baby got her
Good
seatbelt.
girl. Zion, what does green light means?
Let me go.
And what does red light mean?
Where am I stop?
What does
Yellow.
orange light mean?
Yellow light.
Or yellow?
Yellow slow.
Slow, yeah.
Slow. Oh, okay.
Yeah, she said yellow is
Yeah.
slow.
Good girl.
Right, Zizi, yellow is
But
slow.
see, the sign come off because the tire have the amount of air it's supposed to have. See?
Ziz, we have to go buy your own car.
Go, green me go.
Yeah, green me, go mom, go.
And then,
Okay guys, so we're at Old Navy.
I'm excited.
Good, Old Navy. Let's see what's how you're gone. Hi Jay, say hi.
Hello.
So let's see then. How you're gone.
Alright guys, so we're in the Navy trying to look at some outfits for Zion.
You made a friend? You made a friend? What's her name? Hmm? It looks alright.
is Zion?
Zion.
4-2.
Zion, can you tell IJ it's not his? IJ, can you put... IJ, can you stop touching stuff?
Stretch.
You like that?
That's the baby section. I'm not sure. That was the baby for food.
Oh, there's paper in it. Oh my goodness. Wow. Zion must have say, look how easy that. Guys, let's put on the baby shoes with paper in the shoes. Zion, can you show the camera? IJ, can you... Zion, can you look at the camera and pose? Okay. Okay guys, so we're leaving Old Navy. Here we go. Okay guys, we're back in the car. So Dad's not getting a sanitizer. Daddy not getting a sanitizer, guys.
I did it.
Struggle real pan Daddy.
Yeah.
Hey, can you hold this?
I'm just gonna take one. Oh my god. Son, just take good.
Sanitizer smell nice.
Wait,
Now.
oh man, I forgot.
Sanitizer smell nice.
Hello. Hi.
Where we are going now?
Come on, swim.
IJ,
Okay. Yeah.
can you sit back in the car and put your seatbelt on, please?
I want to try the Rasta pasta.
Rasta pasta, what is that?
Where Jamaica Gates have.
Oh, so Rasta pasta.
I heard it's pretty good.
Oh, we don't want a pasta. You can try it, why you not try
We're
it?
gonna buy something.
Rasta pasta.
Okay, I have no idea what that is.
So I would tell you them have a Rasta pasta on it.
Some co-workers of mine told me about it. And they were like, girl, that Rasta pasta was good. I'm like, really? They're like, yup.
Well, like
I know
what,
what
jerk
I'm
chicken and
called
pasta?
good. Sometime I know what me call good.
Ain't that the truth? I mean, what you call good sometime when
Whatever.
guys, sometime when honestly the thing tastes good, me I say, yo.
No, because you're just too picky. That's your problem. You're too picky.
Wow. That's why I have such a nice wife, because, you know, I'm picky.
Yeah, and anybody can deal with him. Trust me.
Oh my goodness.
But it deserve a trophy, I'm not lying.
You know, my trophy wife. My trophy wife.
Need a trophy.
Guys, you don't know what's a Poppy easy for this, you know what I mean?
Guys,
But
he's picky.
Nobody listen to her.
He's extremely picky.
So that you ever try one of the Rasta pasta?
Oh, okay.
When you beat green and your husband have beat green,
Happy me, man.
John was star.
I wonder if we have twin.
Right there.
We're twin?
We are twin?
I don't know, you always a try just like me. See me. Then it was a long time me deal with the dress thing cross, you know.
Long time what?
No, a long time me deal
Honey,
with the dress thing.
remember so we just dropped the old photo vid, so can't trick the people them.
Green pants and thing.
A long time you beat green for true.
I'm a filler. But anyways.
Excuse me, Mom.
Yes, baby.
So you said we cannot eat in your car, right?
Right.
Right.
And that made like a ton of messes.
So that
Zion, you
mean,
made a mess in my car?
Oh no.
What do you mean no?
I didn't buy my fish.
Huh?
I did what?
AJ what?
I did what?
IJ is a tattletale, that's what he is.
It made
IJ, why did you have to tell on your sister, man?
Mom.
That's not cool.
Yes, baby.
It's messy.
Huh?
It's messy.
It's messy? You created a mess?
Yeah, it's open.
You know, a long time I don't come down here, so I never ever see them build up big building over here, so.
Let one horse
I
first.
have one.
Hi.
Oh, trust me.
You don't get out much, bro.
When you start some exercise, man, I like put them C's up.
Don't you know it?
They let them make two walk on the block and free up the joints, them, you know what I mean? WD-40 now go out, nothing for Poppy. C's up. Yo, the sun cross. Sure, so Jamaica get home.
Friday night, I'm supposed to.
Oh. So guys, we are going to one Jamaican restaurant, you know,
What?
in our local city, you know what I mean?
Wait, what? This is actually a Jamaican place?
Food alright still.
What? Who even invited Jamaicans here?
Straight.
I want to try the
Rasta pasta?
Rasta pasta.
Where you going?
I look some of the park.
You pass 2 parking spots and I look some other park.
And then it's away from me, so.
I must see a friend.
Parking spot.
Wow.
When I pass a whole parking spot, I'm not saying I look for parking spot again. So.
Hello. What are you doing?
So go back up the sun?
Since the parking, why not go around?
Huh?
Let's go around.
It's really no fun.
Okay guys, so we're back in the car, get some food. Got some little leggings for Zizi did want some leggings, so got some leggings for her and we're on our way back home now. Friday evening, we just go home, eat some food, chill. You know what I mean?
I got me some oxtail with rice and peas and cabbage. And what you got? Jerk chicken?
Get some jerk chicken with some rice and peas with some oxtail gravy, you know what I mean? So everything sell off. Straight. But guys, it was absolutely fun making this video. You don't know, a little vlog in the car. It's a little drive out, nothing too crazy, you know. So big up with subscribers them, Poppy love you know. I'm entire talking and we say yo, what we call with subscriber them star? Entire say we call the subscriber them pop stars, you know what I mean?
Stars, yeah.
So moving forward, we have to say yo, big up the pop stars them, you don't know.
Yeah.
Big up. I'm gonna make a t-shirt to the pop stars them. So all who subscribe and want get a pop star t-shirt, just go check it out. You see me I come from? Yeah. And if you don't subscribe it or not watch Poppy Show for whatever reason, come across the channel, subscribe to us man. The channel it'll go on content hot. You know what I mean? So subscribe and tell on a friend them. Tell on a family them. Everybody can watch it. All the baby, you could just have the baby yesterday when you can watch it.
A real thing.
You understand? IJ run at the back there so them kinda restless, you know. Zion will want to go home. Zion say bye, Poppy Show. Oh, okay.
Bye, because I'm hungry.
See, IJ hungry, Daddy hungry, Mommy hungry, Malik hungry too, but Malik not there. I'm have a soccer game, you don't know. So big up Malik. Poppy Show, signing out. What's wrong, Zai? What do you want to say? What What you want to tell them? You want to tell them about you? What about you? You love them? Okay. Yeah, we got you.
All right, Pop Stars. I love that name, Pop Stars. Yeah? Poppy Pop Stars. Poppy is Pop Stars.
Straight.
Straight.
So Pop Stars, big up on yourself. And we're out. Bye.